Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I put this letter over the top of it to cover up the sender's personal information. This is an interesting box. It obviously whatever's inside of it is longer than the box. Right, it's not meant for this package because like the outer, these are like out and full and taped so that, you know, to accommodate for the size of the knife. So I think it's something fairly large. that's the indication I'm getting. But this was sent by Jake. Thank you very much, Jake. This is something that was loaned to me. It will go back to Jake when I'm done with it. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If this is something I can link, I will absolutely link it down in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. All right, I have to make these cuts off camera because there's too much personal information on both sides. But Jake, interesting way of packaging this. Okay, I kind of thought maybe it was a, oh my God, I know what this is. Oh, yeah. I asked for this one. Okay. Hey, MC, here's the, yeah. Slightly used, but I no longer use it, so feel free to put it in the next live giveaway. Are you serious? You want me to give this away? Oh, wow, those, dude, that's really generous of you. Thank you very much. Okay, so, this will not be going back to Jake. This will be given away. Thank you very much. Thanks for the content, and please throw your obsidian toenail into the nearest body of water. No, the obsidian toenail. How dare, look, you hurt his feelings, man. Come on. Okay, disassemble and abuse this folding ballast sword however you wish. Awesome. All right, so this is, oh my God, the Gerber Doubledown machete. It's a folding machete. Okay, so bear with me while I figure out how to disengage the, oh, just like that, okay. Is there a reason it doesn't want to come apart? Do we push these? Ah, yes we do. And then do we keep, I feel like it's going to attack me. Oh, okay. So you just got to be, okay. What is this? This just feels so dangerous. Come on, big boy. Yeah. Look at this two-handed balisheti. Holy cow, man. What is this? Dude, you know what? You say what we will about Gerber, I have no idea. This is made in the USA. Okay, 420 HC. Honestly, I really don't even care what it's made out of. This feels absolutely ready to go. And you know, the blade, he's been using this. The blade's a little bit bent. Is it? Or is it my imagination? Maybe it's my imagination. Yeah, it looks like a little bit. That's fine though. This actually feels like it can be abused. This is absolutely solid. This is the most ridiculous thing. But you know what? That grip down here. Man, I really want to go try this out. This is... I expected to laugh at this, and I am. But I also, like... I definitely did not expect to kind of like it. This is crazy. So, okay, let me try this again. This, I'm like trying to, okay, so this, the way that latches is crazy. Yeah, man, look at this. Okay, so once we have this disengaged, these little things here are like you have to push them, you have to pinch them in, and then it releases, and then for some reason it can get stuck here. What do we do? What do we do with this? Why is it locking here? But then you push them down and it keeps going, and then it locks together here and it can't come apart, and then you can latch it again like this. It really, is it supposed to? Why is it? Oh, no. Okay. I'm sorry. I was trying to get this over. It just latches in here. There, right? Okay, yeah, that's what it's supposed to do. What? This is so weird, man. But you know, it's like I would say, like I'm happy that stuff like this exists. I mean, this is obviously not going to be something that the vast majority of people need. This is absolutely the biggest Balisong-like object that I have ever seen. But you know, Balisong people are not going to enjoy the fact that it has this. I don't know why it has a stop here, but this is not something that you can flip like a regular Balisong. It just opens like a Balisong. Once this thing is engaged, though, this is impressively solid. Impressively. I feel like that blade just needs to be bent back the other way a little bit. I think he's been beating the crap out of this. You know, there's a lot of indications here that this has been used for exactly what it was intended for. And I think that, I think it could probably stand up to it, you know? I mean, it doesn't look like he's been... it doesn't look like he's been nice to any of this, but it's still, you know, it's obviously holding up just fine. This is really interesting. This is really weird. The first time, I mean, you know what's funny? This will be the first Balisong that I have ever reviewed on the channel. If people ask me all the time, why don't you review Balisongs? Listen, I think Balisongs are cool, you know, in their own way. Not in the same way that I think a regular folding knife is cool, or a fixed blade. It's different, right? What people do with them is different, right? That's not my enthusiast territory. I have great respect for people who can flip Balisongs and do all the tricks. I can't do anything like that. It's really cool, really fun to watch. Not really my cup of tea. Balisongs in general are not really my cup of tea. And that's okay. If you like them, keep liking them. We all like different stuff. But that's the reason I've never reviewed them. This is the first time... I know people are going to be saying, well, technically, well, you can't really call that a Balisong, okay? Because yeah, this will be the first one. So this is the weirdest thing, man. I think it's cool that Gerber made this, and I'm glad that there are companies like Gerber out there still making weird stuff like this, because I mean, otherwise it'd be really boring. Very cool. You can definitely expect some type of I mean, my review style is not going to, you know, it's not going to make a whole lot of sense with an object like this, so I might do it. I might do kind of an ironic review. I don't know. We'll see. I'll make another video on it. Tell you guys what I think. Very cool. Jake, thank you so much for donating this for a giveaway. I will definitely give it away at some point in the near future. I need to get the review done and everything, but you'll see this eventually on one of my live stream giveaways. So thanks again. Make sure you give Jake a thumbs up in the comments. Very cool of him. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo, right there, and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.